Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Kids. Today I'm super excited to teach you about fruits and vegetables. I have this big basket of farmers market produce. Everything in this basket is needed for a healthy and balanced life. Let's check it out. Here's a banana, watermelon, a mushroom, a potato, a crunchy carrot, ooh, a cucumber, yum, grapes. Check out this kiwi. Here's a ripe tomato. This is a green pepper, a sweet orange, an apple. This is a cob of corn. Yum, strawberry. Ugh, an onion. And last but not least, a pear. We also get a green cutting board, a blue one, and matching knives. And everything came in this adorable basket. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'll be babysitting today. Do you guys have any guesses as to who it is? It's Elmo!
Hi everyone! Elmo here!
Whoa there, you sound hungry.
Yeah, Elmo is hungry. Very, very hungry.
Well, just so happens I have a whole basket of goodies.
That's not goodies. Goodies is candy and sweets and junk food.
No, these are goodies too. You'll see once you try them. And if you do, there may be some surprises in store after.
Surprises? Elmo loves surprises. Let's do it.
That's the spirit. First, we have a carrot. Carrots are great for your eyes. This is a banana. Bananas have a ton of potassium, so they're great to eat so you don't cramp up during your big game. Here's a potato. There's so many ways to eat this. Baked, fried, boiled, however you like. This is a cucumber. You can often find these in salads. This is a tomato. Super high in vitamin C to help you not get sick. Kiwis are also high in vitamin C. They're sweet and tart. Yum, corn! I like mine with butter. This is a red apple. These ones are sweeter than the green ones. Ooh, some grapes! Frozen grapes are a refreshing snack. Watermelon is made up of 90% water to keep you hydrated. This is a green bell pepper. They also come in red, orange, and yellow. Did you know strawberries can whiten your teeth? Here's a mushroom. These are a great source of protein. An orange is a great snack to give you a boost of energy.
Is it ready? Is it ready? Elmo's hungry.
Yep, check it out.
Wow, that looks tasty. Let's eat it.
Here you go. This is an orange.
Yum! That was so sweet.
This is a cucumber.
Crunchy cucumber.
Here's a banana.
That one was delicious. It deserves a happy dance.
This is a potato.
Elmo prefers mine fried into French fries.
Here's a tomato.
was squishy.
Here's some grapes.
Watch Elmo's happy dance.
This is a kiwi.
Wow, Elmo loved that one.
Here's a mushroom.
That didn't really taste like anything.
How about you try this carrot?
Super crunchy carrot.
Open up for the strawberry.
You triggered another happy dance.
Try this watermelon.
That's my favorite. Yum, yum, yum.
This is corn.
Ooh, I like that one too.
Here's a pear.
Wow, that's so sweet.
This is a bell pepper.
A pepper that's not spicy?
You know this one, it's an apple.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
That was the last one.
Does that mean it's time for Elmo's surprises?
Yep, check it out. Here's the first one.
Wow, an egg.
Not just any egg, this is a Hatchimals collectible.
Let's open it. Elmo wants to see.
This is a part of the Hatch Bright series and it's from season 4. Inside is a cute Hatchimal that needs our help breaking free. Ooh, this egg is pink and orange with yellow speckles. All right, let's help this baby hatch. We need to rub the purple heart until it turns pink and soft, and then we'll be able to break through. Oh, look at this little cute squirrel. He's from the forest family.
Elmo loved that egg. What else do you have? Wow, what is it? What is it?
This is a Disney Tsum Tsum mystery pack from Series 11. On the back, you can see some of the options. Let's open it up. We got Pua the pig from Moana. He's our pet piglet who acts more like a puppy. He follows her around and encourages her to follow her dreams. After a long day of being a supportive sidekick, he can rest under the palm trees.
That piglet is so cute. Elmo liked it a lot. Reminds Elmo of Pet Dorothy. Wow, is that Harry Potter?
Yep. This is a Lego minifigure from Harry Potter Fantastic Beasts. Let's pour out the pieces and build it. This is Queenie Goldstein. She's a half-blood witch and the younger sister of Tina Goldstein. Her boyfriend is Jacob Kowalski. She comes with a wand and some bread.
Elmo loved Harry Potter. What's that?
This is a Fingerlings mini. We'll get a little animal accessory that we can attach onto our pen or pencil. This also comes with a charm that we can attach onto the bracelet. Here you go, Elmo.
Wow, Elmo love it. Super pretty.
Here's our little monkey. She's a lime green color with magenta hair. These are kind of like My Little Ponies because they have cutie marks too. This one has a banana on it. Learning with Elmo is so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!